Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today's product review is on our retro hot stoppable mechanical keyboard, folks. If you ever wanted something to take you back to the past, try this keyboard. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a Bluetooth ready, as you can see. You can see the lights that just make it fun to do your work. If there's work you got to do, folks, there's nothing more better than doing work on something that makes you want to actually do the work. In the back of the keyboard, folks, it has some buttons in the back that allow you to cut the switch on and off. Isn't that beautiful, folks? It offers a stand here on the inside that allows you to put your documents. It has a stand holder. It's simply beautiful. And for it to be retro, folks, it's absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, if you want to know more about this keyboard, click the link in the description and dive into the next section of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Wait a minute. Don't stop now. Keep watching. Say hello to the ML981 Retro Mechanical Bluetooth Keyboard, a combination of old school charm and modern technology. This beauty brings together the tactile satisfaction of mechanical keys with a design that harks back to the golden age of typing. And yet it's not all about nostalgia. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless convenience and is compatible with a variety of operating systems. So whether you're a Mac enthusiast or a Windows whiz, this keyboard's got you covered. With the ML981, you get a taste of the past with the conveniences of the present. Getting the ML981 up and running is a breeze. Start by flipping on the switch located at the back. Next, initiate the pairing process by pressing the Bluetooth Connect button. Now, on your device, navigate to your Bluetooth settings. Look for the ML981 in the list of available devices and hit connect. Double check that everything's working by typing a quick sentence. You'll feel the satisfying click of each key. And just like that, you're ready to type away on your ML981. Navigating the ML981 is as simple as typing on a regular keyboard. This nifty device boasts a layout that's easy to grasp with special function keys conveniently placed for quick access. Whether you're adjusting volume or switching tracks, these keys are your ticket to seamless control. But the real star of the show, the mechanical keys. Each press offers a satisfying tactile feedback reminiscent of vintage typewriters. Yes, the ML981 doesn't just look retro, it feels retro too. The ML981 Retro Mechanical Bluetooth Keyboard is more than just a pretty face. This gem boasts a nostalgic charm fused with cutting-edge technology. Its tactile satisfaction, wireless convenience, and compatibility with a range of devices make it a must-have for any tech enthusiast. Plus, its retro design is sure to add a touch of vintage elegance to your workspace. To get your hands on this blend of nostalgia and technology, click the link in the subscription and subscribe.